Compensation management, it's more than just a salary. Welcome back. Think about the last time you looked for a job. What was the first thing you checked? For most of us, it's the salary. But from an HR perspective, that number isn't just a random guess. It's the result of a complex, strategic process called compensation management. What actually goes into an employee's paycheck? Compensation management is one of the most strategic parts of HR. It's the balance between keeping employees happy and keeping the company profitable. In this video, we break down the components of total rewards, the difference between direct and indirect compensation, and why internal equity is the secret to a loyal workforce. Today, we are peeling back the curtain on how companies decide what you're worth, how they stay competitive, and why pay is about a lot more than just cash in your bank account. Section 1. What is total rewards? In modern HR, we don't just talk about pay, we talk about total rewards. This is the complete package an employer provides. Compensation is generally split into two buckets. 1. Direct compensation. This is the money. Think base salary, hourly wages, bonuses, and commission. 2. Indirect compensation. This is the value. Think health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and even that gym membership your office pays for. If a company can't offer the highest salary, they often use the gold standard benefits package to win top talent. Section 2. The goals of compensation management. Why do we need a management system for this? Why not just pay everyone as much as possible? Well, a good compensation manager is juggling three big balls. Attraction. Can we get the best people to apply? Retention. Can we keep our stars from leaving for a 10% raise elsewhere? Motivation. Does our pay structure actually encourage people to work harder? If the pay is too low, you lose talent. If it's too high, the company goes out of business. It's a delicate science. Section 3. Equity, the heart of the system. This is where most companies get into trouble. Equity. There are two types you need to know. 1. Internal equity are people in the same company doing the same work, getting paid fairly relative to each other. 2. External equity is our company paying what the market rate demands. To figure this out, HR professionals use job evaluation, ranking roles by value, and salary surveys, checking what competitors are paying. Section 4. Types of pay structures. Not all pay is created equal. Depending on the industry, you might see time-based pay. You get paid for the hours you put in. Performance-based pay. Think sales commissions or pay for performance bonuses. Competency-based pay. You get a raise because you learned a new skill or got a certification, regardless of your job title. Conclusion and call to action. Compensation management is the bridge between business finance and human psychology. When done right, it builds a culture of trust and high performance. I've put a total rewards breakdown worksheet in the description below so you can see how your own package measures up. What's more important to you right now? A higher base salary or more flexible remote work days? Let's talk about the new era of compensation in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of human resources. See you in the next one.